Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Friday, July 15th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Let's get started this morning, as we usually do, with our Spectrum Analyzer. It's important that we identify where the leadership in the market is. To that end, we use HGSI, High Growth Stock Investors, Spectrum Analyzer to identify market leadership on a daily basis. So let's get started by looking at which industry groups are showing the most strength as measured by the 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. Yesterday, semiconductors had 9 stocks in the top 100, airlines 7, steel producers and rail freight had 6 stocks each in the top 100 most powerful stocks in the most powerful industry groups. And finally, rounding out our top 5, consumer finance had 5 stocks. These may be good places to look for leadership in this market. Let's take a quick look at what the NASDAQ Composite's up to. The NASDAQ yesterday closed up 28.33 points or 0.57%. We closed at 50.34. Trading volume was a little bit higher than the prior day, giving us an accumulation day. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend in the market. We have been since June 30th. We have no distribution. Right now, our market timing model is on a margin signal. Margin signal is our most aggressively bullish signal and indicates that aggressive traders can leverage their portfolios utilizing margin. More conservative traders should be working toward fully invested. The market appears to be tiring here. Notice how the bars are getting smaller and we have interspersed down days. This down day was particularly concerning because we closed right at the bottom of the daily trading session. Yesterday we opened higher, gapped higher, and closed near the low of the trading session. This is an indication that maybe this advance is tiring, and the NASDAQ has been up 10 of the past 12 trading sessions, so it could be time for a little bit of a consolidation or even a pullback. If we were to pull back, we would find support down here in the 49.69 area. We have resistance up here in the 51.64 range. Let's see what the S&P 500's up to. But before we do that, stocks closed modestly higher yesterday on mixed volume as the advance seems to be tiring. After advancing 10 of the past 12 sessions, the market appears to be slowing somewhat. That noted, the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 are trading above recent significant resistance, and the S&P 500 is trading at all-time highs. Our market timing model on both the NASDAQ and the S&P 500 remain on margin signal. A margin signal is our most aggressively bullish signal and indicates that aggressive traders can leverage their portfolios utilizing margin. More conservative traders should be working toward fully invested. Investors.com is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market. Yesterday, advancing issues topped decliners by a nearly 4-3 margin. New highs continued to handily better new lows, but have slipped from overbought territory. According to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small and are outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. Bulls prefer to see small caps outperform. We are on a margin signal on the S&P and the NASDAQ, but the current advance appears to be losing steam. While bulls should be at their most aggressive, they should also be keeping stops in place in current. Okay. Yesterday, the S&P 500 was up 11.32 points, or just over 0.5%. We closed at 2163, closed right about the middle of the daily trading range. Trading volume was a little bit heavier than the prior day, giving us an accumulation day or a day of professional buying. The S&P is in a confirmed uptrend. We have one distribution day. That's not a lot of distribution and certainly isn't a cause for concern at this point. Our market timing model on the S&P 500 is indicating our most aggressive signal, our most aggressive buy signal, which is a margin signal. Right now, the S&P is bracketed by support down here in the 2134 area and has no resistance. We're trading at all-time highs. We'll see if we can keep this market going. I suspect that we're running out of steam and we'll have some consolidation to do here. Okay, let's talk about swing trading. Swing trading is a faster and shorter term form of trading than CAN-SLIM trading. In swing trading, we'll attempt to always trade in the direction of the short-term market as defined by the relationship between the NASDAQ Composite and its 5 and 10-day simple moving averages. Our swing timing model has 4 signals based on those relationships: buy long, trending positive, trending negative, and sell short. Currently, our swing timing model is on a buy long signal. Swing trading utilizes a much shorter term setup than CAN-SLIM. Those setups, both long and short, are short-term consolidations, flags, and bounces from significant moving averages. These setups can be as short as 5 days. Our swing timing targets are typically going to be 10% profit with a 3% initial stop loss. Swing trades typically last up to 10 days and require strict adherence to our rule sets. Okay. Currently, the NASDAQ Composite is trading above its 5-day simple moving average, as well as its 10-day simple moving average, and the 5-day moving average is trading above the 10-day moving average, which is our definition of a buy long signal. This indicates that swing traders can still continue to put money to work on the long side if they can find proper setups. We currently hold only 2 swing trade positions after being stopped out of 4 positions yesterday. We currently hold FN, which we bought on this bounce from the 50-day moving average, and TRU, which we bought on a breakout from a short consolidation base. Yesterday we were stopped out of BEAT when it closed below its 5-day simple moving average. We took a small loss on BEAT. We were also stopped out of DW when it closed below its 5-day simple moving average. DY, same, closed below its 5-day simple moving average. And IBP, which also closed below its 5-day simple moving average. We were stopped out of BEAT for a loss of 2.67% after commissions, and DW, DY, and IBP for profits after all fees and commissions of between 3.14 and 5.16%. All were sold when they closed below their 5-day simple moving averages. For more information on swing trading, please contact me. My contact information is on the homepage. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the homepage. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes & LaCours Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push-button stock trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push-button stock trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push-button stock trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push-Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push-Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.